Hi Scorpio, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for your August the 29th to August the 31st reading. No? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dito po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel na catered for our international audience. No? So Scorpio, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. Scorpio, bakit parang magkaiba tayo ng paniniwala, pananaw ni person, no? Yung isa naniniwala na you are destined for me, you might be my soulmate, you might be my twin flame, no? Yung isa parang gaano ka ka-sure, no? Yung ako, hindi sa hindi kita mahala, no? Parang ganon. I feel this emotion of love for you. But don't you think that we are moving too fast, no? Hindi mo rin ako ganun siguro gaano kakilala, pero how come you know, no? Siguro nagwa-wonder itong si person na meron palang ganun, no? Na merong sa isang short period of time, you can decide. So parang nahihiwagaan lang si person, no? The not for you and the yin. Or nakakakita rin ako dito na baka ito yung decision nyo na mag-confide, no? Umamin na. Siguro, medyo bagal-bagalan natin, no? Siguro, ang gawin natin dito is to tansyahin din naman itong energy ni person. Baka kasi instead of na ma-appreciate ni person yung nararamdaman mo, baka bigla siyang matakot because of how fast, no? Kasi meron talagang tao na I am enjoying the journey, no? I know that we will be in that destination, pero gusto kong, kumbaga, kung we are in a biyahe, gusto ko nakikita, ine-enjoy yung mga natatanaw ko. Ayokong matulog, no, na pagdilat ko, nandun na agad sa destination. It's part of our trip, no, or journey na makita itong mga dinadaanan natin. And I wanted to enjoy, no. Kumbaga, I wanted to see the ups and downs, no, of this connection. Because I know that both of us are not perfect. Ayan. So I also want to see the flaws so that I can embrace the flaws and all. Ayan. With the Knight of Wands, the Lovers. So I am seeing here na siguro spiritual din, no? Itong tao na medyo nakakapag-decide na believing in twin flames, no? Kasi gano'n naman talaga. Kapag na-identify mo na this is your twin flame connection, minsan kasi bigla mo masasabi, hindi ganun kasapat yung time ng pagkakakilala namin, pagsasama namin. Pero alam ko deep inside, kilalang kilala kita. Alam ko yung favorite color mo, or kahit pa paano, there's an intuitive downloads about me na kahit hindi ka magsalita, alam kong gutom ka, ipaghahain kita, no? Tapos bigla mong maririnig, ay, thank you ha, nagugutom ako. See? Parang meron talagang connection between you. Kaso, yung isa is more of, I am not into that, or probably I don't believe that, no? Or probably I have a different perception or definition of what you are probably thinking. So instead of me becoming excited, baka mas, yun nga, matakot ako, no? So, the Star and the Moon card. So, hindi porket yun ang nararamdaman ni person or nararamdaman ng isang tao, you have to also force the other person, no? To feel the same way. Yung katulad nga ng sinasabi natin, sa isang relasyon, meron talagang or kadalasan may isang tao na mas mahal yung isa, no? And that's okay. It's not always fair, it's not always on the same level kasi meron namang kaya nga tayo tinawag na individual, no? That's our unique traits, that's our mark or let's say thumb mark, katulad ng thumb mark, no? Hindi siya pare-parehas kahit gaano kadaming tao. That's our unique trait, no? So parang ganun yung nangyayari dito. Na don't force na magkaparehas tayo ng thumb mark. No, I have my own identity. I have my own perception on how I am going to express my emotion to you, and that's my love language. No, um, yours may be different, but do not force me to do something that probably I am not yet into or baka talagang against, no? But ang ganda kasi with the Four of Wands and the Two of Cups. So nandito talaga yung papunta naman ito sa isang para Scorpio, this relationship is going to jump into another level of commitment, which is very committed, very genuine, full of emotion. But I feel like the bottom line here is may isang taong nagmamadali, no? So, kumbaga sinasabi dito is chill, no? Huwag tayo masyadong magmadali. With the Six of Swords, the Three of Wands, the Emperor, and the Nine of Wands. So, nakakita ko, there may be bumps no, along the road, bumps and challenges along the way, along the road. Ginawa ko talaga tong trip or journey, no? Yeah, we can use that in metaphor, in layman's term. Um, kahit na medyo merong pagkatigas ng ulo si person, no? Kahit na medyo magkaiba kayo ng paniniwala, we may have different definition of things pero dun din yan papunta. Kumbaga sa haba-haba ng prosesyon, dun pa rin ang tuloy niyan. Probably, let's put it this way. Sabihin natin, okay, etong niluto ko ay tortang talong. Ayan. So, iba yung lahi niya. Let's say French. So, sa akin, sorry ha, paki-correct lang ako. Omelette de fromage, no? So, parang, ano yun? So, parang hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan. Pero pag sinerve naman, alam ko yan. I think nakita ko to dun sa Maria Clara at Ibarra, no? Parang nung umorder si Ibarra para kay Maria Clara. I'm talking about the show, no? Sabi ni Ibarra, bigyan daw ng pagkain ng pollo de adobar, no? Yung pala, sabi niya, ano yun? Yung pala nung sinerve, ay, adobong manok. So, parang magkaiba kayo ng definition or magkaiba kayo ng language, pero dun din naman siya papunta, yun din yung isa-serve sa inyo. Catch the drift? So, here's your emotion. This could be your person's emotion. I told you, no? Don't pressure me. And I want to hold you in my arms. So, parang hindi mo ko dapat questionin kung ano yung nararamdaman ko, no? Yun yung pagmamahal ko, alam kong nararamdaman mo, pero don't force me to do things, no? Yun yung sinasabi. Natumbok, no? Parang we are so aligned in this reading, no, Scorpio. So, kasi baka I may not be in a situation yet, but I'm not saying that I am not going to give it to you, no? It's not the time yet for me. For you, I'd respect, yes. But for me, let's say we're gonna go there. Let's cross the bridge when we get there, no? So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. So this could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Leo, Pisces, Aquarius, Cancer, Gemini, Aries, Sagittarius, no? So, Scorpio, this is your reading. For those of you who's new to the channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dito po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. And kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, no, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. So, Scorpio, I wanted to know na kilala nyo yung sarili ninyo. So, kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na kayo doon sa ating website. Makikita nyo po yan dito po sa description box ng video na ito. I-click nyo lang po yung website o yung link, reroute na kayo sa website. Makikita nyo sa phone, bubungad sa inyo agad is yung question form. Ibaba nyo lang po doon ng konti, makikita nyo yung mga QR codes. No? QR codes are labeled. How much per question, the name, the number for your reference. And speaking of numbers, huwag nyo naman po akong tawagan. No? I place the number for transaction purposes, especially for those who uses e-wallets. Ayan. Madami pong ways on how to reach out to me. Emails, comment section, DMs, no? Try nyo po muna doon bago nyo po ako tawagan, no? As you can hear, medyo husky yung boses natin. Hinahabol natin itong video doon sa date. So medyo wala tayong tulog, mugto ang mata, no? Baka kasi iba kasi yung body clock ko. Baka yung gising ka, tulog ako, konti na nga lang yung tulog, na putol pa, no? Hindi rin ako makakapagbigay ng video na maayos kung kulang talaga sa tulog, no? Plus the fact na meron po tayong tinatawag na etiquette, no? Kahit po kaibigan natin or kahit profession o yung sa professional level, no? Okay ba na tawagan kita, no? Sa ganitong time. Magbigay po tayo ng pahintulot, no? Or ng abiso sa tao na tatawag tayo doon, no? Sa mga bangko ganyan din ang ginagawa, no? Na parang may tatawag po sa inyo within the day, no? Abangan niyo po for confirmation, blah blah blah, ganyan. Huwag po tayo agad tawag ng tawag, no? Or kaya baka gumagawa ako ng video na to, no? Tas biglang magre-ring. Either ikakat ko siya, mawawala ako dun sa mismong reading, or baka ang worst na mangyari niyan is uulitin ko na naman yung video. So, sayang yung time, no? Kulang na nga sa tulog. Ayan, so wag po tayo agad tawag ng tawag. So, makikita nyo rin po dun sa QR codes yung 4+1 or yung promotion. Discounted na po yung 4 questions, and then may additional pa na isa, so take advantage of it. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya sa QR codes, pakihanap na lang. Ayan. So, madami po tayong videos dito, no? Na hindi pinopost din sa YouTube. Kalat-kalat po yung video natin sa iba-ibang social media. Yung mga memes po, nasa TikTok. If you still care about your exes, nasa Facebook po siya. So, para hindi na kayo mahirapan sa question form, may mga icons po ng social media account. Click nyo na lang yon. I-route na kayo agad doon. So, let's say sa Facebook, click nyo yung Facebook logo o Facebook icon, dediretso na po kayo doon sa Facebook, no? All you just need to do is to click the follow button, no? So, Scorpio, kung hindi naman kayo nagmamadali, pwede naman kayong sumali sa raffle, no? All you need to do is to report those fake accounts na nasa description box, screenshot, and send it to the designated email. Ayan. Para pag nagapi po natin yan, bubunot po tayo ng winner. So, this is your reading. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.